All right, let's see if we can play a tone on the Arduino using this buzzer right here in less than a minute. We're going to clear all our variables. We're going to do a serial port list to find our serial port. It's on COM4. So my Arduino object is equal to Arduino function on COM4. We're going to define this as a Nano 3 type of Arduino. And it should load up and instantiate properly. And there we go. We saw the flashy lights. It's communicating. Done. So play tone. There we go. Play tone. And we're going to do it on the Arduino object. Like that. And we're going to be using D5. We're going to put a tone of 1000 hertz. We're going to do it for 2 seconds. Like that. Done.